In this video, I will show you how to download and install Facebook on Smart TV. Over here, I have an Android Smart TV, but if you're using any other Smart TV like a Hisense, LG, Samsung Smart TV, whatever Smart TV you're using that is not an Android Smart TV, then I encourage that you stick around towards the end of this video where I'm going to give you another workaround solution. So if you're using an Android Smart TV like this one, what you want to go ahead and do is to go over to the Google Play Store on your Smart TV. So just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store, and then you want to go to the top search bar and search for the app known as Downloader. It's actually a very popular app, so you're going to see it here as one of the most popular app. But if you do not see it, you just want to go ahead and search for it on the search bar on your TV. Now once you have this app, you just want to go ahead and install it into your Android Smart TV. You can see that mine is already installed over here, and once it is installed, you just want to go ahead and open it up on your Smart TV just like so. Mind you, if you do not have this Downloader app on your Smart TV, you can also go ahead and use any browser. Now in the Downloader app, you want to go to the browser tab at the top over here. So just scroll to the browser tab, and it is going to give you a browser, and what you just want to do is to scroll over to the search bar on the browser just like so, and you want to go ahead and search for Facebook APK. And now you want to go ahead and click on the search button. Now the website is going to give you a list of websites you can actually download the Facebook APK from. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down, and in order for us to download the best version, we're going to go ahead and click on the official Facebook website, which is this website over here. You can actually see it's facebook.com, and from here we can actually download the official Facebook APK. We just go ahead and click on this link just like so, and once it loads, we just want to go ahead and click on download APK over here. So just go ahead and click on it on your TV, and now the Facebook official APK file will start downloading into your Android Smart TV. And once it is done, it automatically starts installing into your Smart TV as well. Now if you're using the Downloader app, or if you're using a browser for the first time, you're going to get a prompt requiring that you give the Downloader app or any browser you're using the permission to install apps from unknown sources. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and give it that permission, and once you give it that permission, you should be on this particular page, and you can just go down and then click on the install option over here. So just go ahead and click on install, and now the Facebook app is now being installed into our Android Smart TV. We can go ahead and open it up, and we have Facebook on our Android Smart TV for use. Now if you're using any other Smart TV that is not an Android Smart TV, so maybe like a Vida Smart TV from Hisense or an LG WebOS Smart TV, any other Smart TV at all, then another option you want to try is to basically use the browser of your Smart TV to access the Facebook. So basically what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the browser. In my case, the browser is actually found here, so I'll just go ahead and open up this browser like so. And once it loads, I just want to go to the top of the search bar and search for Facebook, just as I would do on the normal browser. And then you are going to find the official Facebook website on Google. So basically what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the Facebook login or sign up just like so, or you can just go ahead and click on login, and now you can now go ahead and start using Facebook on your Smart TV. So basically those are the options you have to download, install, and use Facebook on any Smart TV. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.